In this video, you'll learn how to build a RAG pipeline using n8n. This process will take you through the necessary steps to create an efficient workflow tailored to your needs. Begin by navigating to the n8n homepage. Look for the workflow section, which is typically located in the main menu. Once you reach the workflows page, you will see a list of any existing workflows you may have. Next, locate and click on the plus icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. This action will prompt a new workflow creation interface to appear, allowing you to start building your new pipeline. After that, select the workflow option from the available choices. This will enable you to create a new workflow that can be customized according to your requirements. Once you are in the workflow creation area, click on the personal option. This step will guide you to a workspace where you can manage your personal workflows effectively. Continue by clicking on the Build with AI button. This feature will help you incorporate artificial intelligence capabilities into your workflow, enhancing its functionality. Following this, click on the Build button to initiate the workflow setup process. This action will take you to the next stage where you can define the specifics of your RAG pipeline. Now, select the option that says Build a RAG pipeline. This will open a new interface where you can start configuring your pipeline components. Afterward, click on the Enter button. This step will allow you to proceed with the pipeline setup and begin the process of defining its structure and components. You will then see a message indicating thinking. This is a system prompt that informs you the platform is processing your request. Next, a message will appear stating, I'll build a RAG, retrieval, augmented generation pipeline workflow for you. This indicates that the system is preparing your pipeline based on the selections you've made. You will then see a message that reads, Getting suggested nodes. This indicates that the platform is identifying potential nodes that can be added to your workflow. Following this, a message stating searching nodes will appear. This means the system is actively looking for the nodes you can incorporate into your pipeline. Next, a message will show up saying, Getting node definitions. This confirms that the platform is retrieving the necessary information about the available nodes for your workflow. You will now need to wait for n8n to generate the pipeline. This process may take some time depending on the complexity of your workflow and the current load on the system. Finally, be aware that this might take a while. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during this process, as a slow connection can prolong the generation time. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.